Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. For this one, I can show you how to answer this integration by two ways in here. The first one, that is about traditional way. So for this one, I need to separate them in here. So the integration of this one, we have octane of s. Now we go to the next one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s squared plus 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, we have 2s. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. Later that, we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. The s we change by the u over number 2. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one, and I will put about c. Now let's go the second way. That's about hyperbolic substitution. So in this one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to sin t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cos t dt. So I will put this one going here and here. This one we change by cos t. We know that 1 plus sin t squared, we have cos t squared. Now we need to simplify cos t. So this one we have sin t over cos t plus 1 over cos t. This one we can write into secant of t. Now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of cos t. The integration of this one, we have 2 octane of tan s over 2. And I will, this is about t. And we put about c. So about t in here, that is about this one, and we have t equal to arcsin of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.